Hi guys, very good morning or good evening or good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you an IoT based application that we build up for a safety purpose using a Raspberry Pi and a UV sensor. So as you can see here, my Raspberry Pi is connected to a UV sensor using the breadboard for this proof of concept, and this is good. I'm going to use it as a silo. The application is for silos. Whenever the silos is filled up with an level, then it will give a buzz using the Azure IoT platform, so that the user can know that this is the level, and you don't need to fill more on that. If you fill more, normally you will have the hazard or safety related issues. This is the concept behind using this IoT application. So I'm using let me put this sensor here on my silo. So this is the silo that I kept it here. Once using this UV sensor, it reads the distance, and we have a threshold distance maintained using the code, the Python that we used. Then it will give you a buzz using the Azure IoT platform. So for this I'm using an bitwise SSH client. Let me log in. Once I log in, so this is my Raspberry Pi I just logged into my Raspberry Pi desktop. Then I log into my command prompt. So once I go into my command prompt, this is the code that we have used. So this is the code in this file. Once we run that, based on the distance, it gives you the pop-up. So when I change my distance in my using my threshold limit, once it fills, I keep running this, then it will give you an 8.6. So this is my distance. I keep changing my if something is filled in, my distance is get. So once it reaches the 4.8 or any other, we put up a distance of a threshold distance. I keep changing my distance level using in my silo. So once it reaches a threshold, my program will buzz in Azure IoT. This data is going into the Azure IoT connected. Once in the Azure IoT, we send this is connected through a cloud platform. So why I have chosen Azure IoT versus AWS IoT? Because Azure IoT has, I feel, more comfortable with the documentation point of view. So that's the reason I keep I keep changing the distance. So it is sending back the distance levels to the cloud. So once this is the dashboard that we have developed. This is the buzz. So this is the buzz